Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today I will show you how to change the blades on this 2013 Troy-Bilt Bronco. So the tools you'll need, guys, to get this job done is a 24mm socket, preferably a impact socket, and your blades, guys. So for this Troy-Bilt Bronco, guys, it calls for part number 94204308. So let's get the old blades off, guys, and let's get the new ones installed. So first thing you'll need to do, guys, is to jack up your mower. And as you can see, I just use my trailer, which is perfect and gets it high enough where I can get my tools under there. So that's step one, guys. So okay guys, let's get our hand holding the blade, and as you know, lefty loosey. So remove that nut, get down the blade, make sure there are no washers or spacers behind there. Then we can install our new blade, guys. Make sure that it sits properly on that star. And then we can go ahead and retighten it, guys. So we want to go right to tighten. Make sure it's spinning freely. So that's one blade down, guys, and let's go hit the other one. Okay guys, so same procedure. So remember, hold your blade. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Here we go. Out with the old, in with the new, guys. You want to have your numbers facing downward. So that is it, guys. Easy as that. Takes probably 5 minutes. Save yourself some money. Jack it up yourself. Get your blades. And you're good to go, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. God bless you all. Here are my old blades, guys. As you can see, they're definitely very in need of a change. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I see y'all on the next one. Thank you.